73 species in genus Aralia. November 23rd, Aralia, Aralia, the Angelica tree, defines November 23rd. Aralia symbolizes protection and strength. You are a guardian to those you love, offering support and guidance. Like its branching form, you provide a strong foundation for others to grow. My fascination with the Aralia genus. As a lifelong admirer of the botanical world, I, Ferb Vu, am perpetually captivated by the sheer diversity and resilience of plant life. Among the myriad genera that have piqued my interest, the Aralia genus holds a special place in my heart. This diverse group of plants, belonging to the Araliaceae family, boasts a remarkable array of species, each with its unique characteristics and ecological significance. A diverse and widespread genus. The Aralia genus encompasses approximately 73 accepted species, ranging from deciduous and evergreen trees to shrubs and herbaceous perennials. These plants are native to Asia and the Americas, with a majority found in mountain woodlands. Their adaptability to various environments is a testament to their resilience and evolutionary success. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Unique characteristics and adaptations. Aralia plants exhibit a variety of fascinating characteristics that contribute to their ecological success. Many species possess prickles or thorns on their stems and leaves, serving as a defense mechanism against herbivores. Their leaves are typically large and compound, often arranged in a palmate or pinnate fashion. The flowers are small and inconspicuous, usually arranged in umbels or panicles, and are often followed by small, berry-like fruits that are relished by birds and other wildlife. Ecological and economic importance. Aralia plants play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for a variety of insects, birds, and mammals. Their flowers attract pollinators, while their fruits serve as a food source for various animals. In addition to their ecological significance, Aralia plants also hold economic value. Some species, such as Aralia cordata, are cultivated for their edible shoots, while others, such as Aralia alata, are prized for their ornamental value. Several species are also used in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of ailments. Conservation and future prospects. Despite their ecological and economic importance, some Aralia species face threats due to habitat loss and overexploitation. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the long-term survival of these valuable plants. By protecting their natural habitats and promoting sustainable harvesting practices, we can help safeguard these species for future generations. In conclusion, the Aralia genus is a captivating group of plants that exemplifies the diversity and resilience of the natural world. From their unique adaptations to their ecological and economic significance, Aralia plants continue to fascinate and inspire me. As a passionate advocate for plant conservation, I am committed to promoting the preservation of these remarkable species and ensuring their continued contribution to our planet's biodiversity.